I think the viewership is going to break TRPs. It's going to break India-Pakistan ratings also, because I think the whole of India is going to watch that match with bated breath, right?
And I don't think West Indies is pulling off any miracle against Australia at this point.
All right. The scenario in which West Indies can do something is the question of 16 sixes. कि वो 120 बॉल में अगर वो 16 सिक्स लग गए होंगे तो उनका मैच है, नहीं तो फिर it's not happening.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी. फैंटेसी क्रिकेट और रियल क्रिकेट का अनोखा है ये खेल, where it is all about you, the cricket fans from all across the world. This show is brought to you by crickbattle.com. अगर आप भी हमारे साथ खेलना चाहते हैं, हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं, then all you need to do is log on to spk.crickbattle.com and you can also catch this as a podcast on Studio Scoops Official. It is end of the week 2 and we are about to find out कि 8 खिलाड़ियों में से वो कौन सा खिलाड़ी है जिसने वीकली फैंटेसी जीता है ऑन सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी वर्ल्ड कप का वॉर. लेकिन उससे पहले let us bring you up to the speed with the ongoing T20 World Cup tournament. With 5 matches to go before the semi-finals, Pakistan and England are comfortably through. South Africa और Australia एड़ी चोटी का जोर लगा रहे हैं to get into the semi-finals, while on the other hand India's chances still hang by a thread and depend on the New Zealand versus Afghanistan match. In fact, instead of restricting ourselves from such proclamations, we are just going to huddle up and discuss the same in our next segment, Jumlebazi. So guys, मैं ये कह रहा था बेसिकली चलो इंडिया ने नेक्स्ट मैच तो जीत लिया, स्कॉटलैंड के सामने कन्विंसिंगली जीत लिया, रन रेट भी ऊपर आ चुका है अच्छी तरह से, पर अभी भी इंडिया की हालत वही है कि कर्म करते जाओ, फल की आशा मत रखो, बिकॉज फल तो मिलने वाला है इंडिया वर्सेस अफगानिस्तान से. तो नॉट इंडिया वर्सेस अफगानिस्तान, सॉरी, न्यूजीलैंड वर्सेस अफगानिस्तान.
यशवंत की नजर बहुत खराब है.
मैंने जेमिन को टिकट कर दिया उससे.
मतलब आज मेरे कैप्टन बंद हो गए थे चलना, नामीबिया को हरा दिया. अगर नहीं देखता था शायद जीत सकता था
यार, इसलिए मैं अभी न्यूजीलैंड अफगानिस्तान देखने वाला नहीं हूँ.
हाँ, बाहर चले जाना कहीं.
Because New Zealand 2 games में at one period of time they got lucky. जो crucial moments थे वो उनके favor में चले गए. If Afghanistan can bring their best form onto the field on that game, actually मेरे दिमाग में Afghanistan are the confidence team right now.
It's a lot closer than we think it is. Like you would think New Zealand are clear favorites, but the way their middle order has been exposed, and even the top order is looking patchy. Apart from that one big Guptill innings, they've not really looked great. Kane Williamson is not firing.
In fact, since it's a day game, I am expecting Afghanistan to actually win that game right now, to be honest.
न्यूजीलैंड का जो है सिर्फ उनका इस वक्त जो इशू आ रहा है ना, वो सेम पाकिस्तान वाला इशू चल रहा है, मिडल ऑर्डर. उनके पास सिर्फ 2 प्लेयर्स हैं जिनके ऊपर वो पूरा टीम रिलाई कर रही है, एक राशिद और एक मुजीब है. इन केस किसी वजह से मुजीब नहीं खेलता तो वो वैसे ही वन साइडेड मैच है. न्यूजीलैंड मिडल ऑर्डर अगेंस्ट अफगानिस्तान स्पिन बॉलिंग. बस अगर अफगानिस्तान उन्हें अपनी बॉलिंग सेकंड करवाए ना तो वो उन्हें रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर सकता है.
Afghanistan is a very good team, but their strength is their bowling actually.
Exactly.
So उनको they would ideally want to win a game where they are relying on their bowling, which basically means कि आप उसका बैटिंग में पहले आप उसको बैटिंग करने दो, the way they have been doing in all of their games. Even if they are scoring a 120 or a 130, I am still backing Afghanistan to defend that, क्योंकि अबू धाबी का पिच है, डे गेम है, न्यूजीलैंड का मिडिल ऑर्डर ज्यादा चल नहीं रहा है. इट्स ओनली अ मैटर ऑफ गेटिंग गप्टिल, विलियमसन, मिचेल.
दोनों गेम में न्यूजीलैंड ने स्ट्रगल तब किया है जब वो लोग ने बैटिंग फर्स्ट किया है. एंड इफ न्यूजीलैंड चेजेस, विलियमसन विल टेक ओवर देम. मतलब विलियमसन अकेला चेस कर जाएगा फिर अगर वो 150 160 जितना भी हुआ तो.
What is really interesting is Afghanistan's bowling, and it's not just the spin. Over the tournament, they picked up good medium pace and fast bowling as well. See your Gulbuddin Naib and Hamid.
Yeah.
Hamid Hassan has been bowling exceedingly well. Afghanistan, in a way, is well poised for both sides of the toss. You bat first, you back your bowlers to defend whatever score it is. They almost did that to Pakistan itself. Right? But if they bowl first, then New Zealand is already under pressure to score a lot of runs. And history says it. Kapil cannot score in more than one game per tournament. Right? It is done.
जो एक्चुअल कंपटीशन है ना वो सिर्फ दो पेयर्स के बीच है, मुजीब एंड राशिद, सोडी एंड सेंटनर.
Nobody is wrong here. Jamin, Umar,
Of course.
Yashwant, everything is correct. What I genuinely feel is that we need a lot of things for us to go right in that match.
I think the viewership is going to break TRPs. It's going to break India-Pakistan ratings also, because I think the whole of India is going to watch that match with bated breath, right? I'm personally rooting for Afghanistan. I've always been, but I really hope that they can pull off an upset.
देखो, मैंने वेस्ट इंडीज से अपना हाथ उठा लिया है. मैं कभी वेस्ट इंडीज के ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंटली कुछ कमेंट करूंगा नहीं अब से. इट जस्ट गोज टू शो कि वो टीम इज इन अ स्टेट ऑफ क्रम्बल राइट नाउ. वो टीम, आई डोंट सी देम डूइंग एनीथिंग अगेंस्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ऑस्ट्रेलिया अ टीम जिसने अभी 10 विकेट निकाला है इन देयर लास्ट गेम. आई थिंक जैम्पा फिर से 5-6 विकेट लेने वाला है मेरे हिसाब से. तो जिसको फैंटेसी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखिए ना, कौन डालना चाहता है कि नहीं. I don't think West Indies is pulling off any miracle against Australia at this point.
All right. What I really want to see is the fight of these youngsters fight it out. Hetmeyer and Purana.
See, West Indies can be giant killers, spoil sport party in this particular game, because they are out of the tournament. The thing is, they've got 2-3 players who this could be their last game for West Indies, whether it's a Gale or whether it's a Pollard.
And I think from a bowling point of view, I think Ravi Rampal should, for his own pride, he should retire tomorrow morning. I think Anmol only told, they came here for a vacation. They're having a good time. And I think they'll have a good time tomorrow also.
I think Chris Gale will bowl in the power play tomorrow. इसका लास्ट गेम है. He's like, देखो बैटिंग तो मेरे से हो नहीं रहा है, मुझे एक ओवर डालना है. Give me the ball.
वेस्ट इंडीज को पेस बहुत पसंद है. लाइक they don't like spinners, but they like pace.
Australia has 2 flying spinners, okay? 2 spinners at the peak of their power, Zampa and Maxwell.
मतलब और अगर पूरन और हिटमेयर अगर जैम्पा और उसको खेल गए मैक्सवेल को, तो they can put up a very good fight with Australia.
The scenario in which West Indies can do something is the question of 16 sixes. कि वो 120 बॉल में अगर वो 16 सिक्स लग गया उनका, तो उनका मैच है. नहीं तो फिर it's not happening.
I don't think South Africa is a squad that can beat England. Although their bowling is really good, but I don't think their top order is going to score. So if England win the toss, the game is over.
South Africa versus England. Can South Africa pull off an upset?
किसी तरह अगर +2 के नेट रन रेट से साउथ अफ्रीका ने इंग्लैंड को हरा दिया तो इंग्लैंड टॉप 2 से बाहर हो जाएगा.
वो तो होने से रहा कि इंग्लैंड इतना खराब हारेगा. इंग्लैंड वेस्ट इंडीज नहीं है.
बड़ा नॉट एट देयर प्राइम.
करेक्ट. 2 लोग चल गए तो इंग्लैंड की खैर नहीं है.
इंग्लैंड में एक ही चल गया तो भी अफ्रीका की खैर नहीं है. इंग्लैंड में तो एक ही चलना चाहिए.
अरे मैं बोल रहा था जो ओमर ने किया, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैथमेटिकल फन. बेसिकली लाइक अपना इतना मतलब आपने वो कर लिया कि देखो नंबर्स में से ये भी जा सकता है अभी, बट फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग इंग्लैंड इज वे टू स्ट्रांग. इंग्लैंड मेरे ख्याल से is the team to beat actually in this tournament.
The bowling attack is very good, whereas Australia's bowling attack is not that up to the mark, and we're yet to see one Quinton de Kock special. I'm just hoping it's going to be that day with South Africa beats India.
कि T20 सिर्फ गेम है 4 ओवर्स का. 4 ओवर किसी तरफ से भी ठीक डाल गए, मतलब बॉलिंग अच्छी हो गई या बैटिंग अच्छी हो गई, सारी गेम खत्म हो गई.
जुमलेबाजी खत्म होने के साथ अब वक्त हो गया है टू हैव अ लुक एट द लीडर बोर्ड एंड फाइंड आउट कि कौन बन रहा है सेकंड वीक का वीकली फैंटेसी विनर और सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी वर्ल्ड कप का वो. एंड द विनर ऑफ सेकंड वीक इज आनंद Batija's The Company. It comes across as a very interesting calculated risk because that also makes you a 2x winner for the week, as well as it takes you in a huge lead for the overall performance.
The idea was to use as less subs as possible to get a complete 11 playing for the 2x. And so I planned this actually ever since the chip was out and the last India game happened against Namibia. Since then, I loaded up on Indian players and I sacrificed the last few games going with only 1-1 sub and keeping it very low. Because I wanted to go big on today's game. So, it was a calculated strategy. I kept Shardul Thakur in my team from the last game and he's been dropped this game. So, I had to waste another sub to kind of replace him. So, subs are down, yes. But I have a clear strategy for the games ahead. I think there are 5 games left after tonight, and I have exactly 10 subs in hand. So an average of 2 subs per game with the free subs that we have. So I have to manage my players really well. Trying to pick the good captain picks. I think that's going to be very important for me in the next 4-5 games. Because if I don't get my captains right, I'm going to fall badly. Everyone's got their 2x left apart from Anmol and me. So it's going to be very nervous times ahead.
Shamin Bumrah took 5 wickets and Varun Chakravarti and Ashwin together took only 1 wicket. So if I had chosen the Pacers, I would have had a differential of 1500, minimum 1500 over everybody. But it's okay. 1000 is also fine, I guess.
यार जडेजा विकेट निकाल रहा है, अश्विन विकेट निकाल रहा है, नहीं निकाल रहा तो वो मिस्ट्री नहीं निकाल रहा. वो बस कर दे यार, वो वेस्ट है.
क्या बताऊं, वो मेरा कैप्टन था 2x में, मेरा कैप्टन था वो, और इतना बड़ा
चक्रवर्ती
किया है मैंने.
अगर आपका वाइस कैप्टन भी जडेजा होता ना आज, इंस्टेड ऑफ चक्रवर्ती. मैं बस बोल रहा हूं ना, I'm just saying. आप 4th के रेस में आ जाओगे ओवरऑल टेबल में.
Jaimin, you're still left with a hell lot of trades with just 5 matches to go. 2x कब कर रहे हो?
Probably coming tomorrow probably. If my 2x trade works, like I can be number 2 and the point gap would be like around 800 to 1000, not more than that. And I can pull it off in like 5 games.
But there'll be an outsider खिलाड़ी who will be coming to the team and you will have to be competing against him. He'll be basically challenging you guys. अगर उससे बेहतर तुम points बनाते हो first semi-final में, तो you have a chance to make a big bonus.
अब मैं नहीं करूंगा शायद, क्योंकि यशवंत की नजर मेरे कैप्टन और वाइस कैप्टन पे है.
It's been my theory, although I'm languishing at the bottom, but these theories work. These are theories, that's why they work. So my thing is that closely contested games never actually give you a lot of points. I say one-sided games is where you take a whole month out, right? It's very simple. If Afghanistan is beating New Zealand, then it's going to be Pakistan, Scotland. If Afghanistan is not beating New Zealand, then I'm going to use it for India, Namibia. Otherwise, I mean, so again, I don't want to jinx India, so whatever happens.
सब देशभक्त हो गए. वो प्रतीक ने भी उस दिन कर दिया था. अगर आप भी इनकी तरह ढेर सारे फैंटेसी पॉइंट्स कमाना चाहते हैं, ढेर सारे प्राइजेस जीतना चाहते हैं, तो आई हाईली रेकमेंड यू टू लिसन टू आवर इन-हाउस फैंटेसी एक्सपर्ट Fafda Jalebi, as he helps you pick top 5 fantasy picks for each match. All eyes are on India versus Namibia match, and don't forget that India will have to beat Namibia by a huge margin. Having said that, Indian fans will be also praying for an Afghanistan victory over New Zealand for obvious reasons. So, दूसरी तरफ, other important matches include the England versus South Africa match and West Indies versus Australia match. You can check out what our Khiladis think of the outcome of these important matches by simply checking out the fan prediction reels, while you can also join the conversation by following us on Instagram. इसी के साथ वक्त हो गया है आप सबको goodbye कहने का, and when we meet again, we'll finally have the 4 semi-finalists of the T20 World Cup. Fingers crossed, I want to see the Indian team right amongst those 4. Till we meet again, eat cricket, sleep cricket, and of course talk about cricket, because cricket is not just a game, it is the game.